Chat Generative Pre-trained Transformer is the abbreviation for this term ChatGPT. It is a cutting-edge AI system taught to converse with people naturally and informally, much like a natural person. So how can ChatGPT aid your English learning? However, it provides a range of features and tools intended to enhance your language abilities. For instance, ChatGPT provides individualized learning, meaning it adapts its courses to your unique requirements and objectives. Hence, ChatGPT can help you improve your English in a method that suits you, whether you're a beginner or an advanced learner. Also, ChatGPT provides a variety of language practice activities like reading comprehension tests, games that help you increase your vocabulary, and writing prompts. These exercises are made to provide you with entertaining and exciting ways to integrate what you've learned and advance your language abilities. The conversational characteristics of ChatGPT are among its most remarkable features. By conversing with the AI, you may improve your English communication and listening skills precisely like you would with a natural person. It's a fantastic approach to increasing your language proficiency and confidence. And don't worry if you have trouble with grammar or vocabulary. We've got you covered with ChatGPT. It provides advice and clarifications to help you strengthen your grammar and broaden your vocabulary. ChatGPT is an excellent resource for anyone wishing to enhance their English language skills. It is interactive, user-friendly, and, most importantly, efficient. Why not take it, then? How much you can learn can surprise you. How to use ChatGPT for English learning. Quick navigation. How to use ChatGPT for English learning. Benefits of learning English with ChatGPT. 7 advanced guides to learning English with ChatGPT. 1. Start with the basics. 2. Learn English vocabulary with ChatGPT. 3. Learn English idioms and slang with ChatGPT. 4. Have conversations with ChatGPT. 5. Use ChatGPT to learn English for specific purposes. 6. Get feedback on your English skills from ChatGPT. 7. Use ChatGPT as a supplement to your English classes. Tips for maximizing your learning with ChatGPT. Final words. Getting or learning anything from ChatGPT is all about placing the appropriate prompt. You have to be tricky to get the perfect result from this AI chatbot. However, with the help of ChatGPT, you can rapidly and efficiently learn English. It functions by linking you with a chatbot powered by AI so that you may practice English in real-time discussions. But the question is how to use ChatGPT to learn English or anything else. Well, the interface of ChatGPT is simple and user-friendly. Just enter, register for an account on the ChatGPT website and start placing your prompt. You can start a conversation with the bot once your account is created. You can pick from a wide range of topics, including current affairs, hobbies, sports, and much more. How to use ChatGPT for English learning. ChatGPT will offer you personalized feedback and insights on how to sharpen your English while you converse with it. It can be used to practice certain English grammar or vocabulary. You can access a range of courses and exercises on ChatGPT when you're prepared to advance to more difficult English levels. You can use these exercises to practice a variety of language skills, including grammar, vocabulary, sentence construction, and pronunciation. You may quickly and successfully improve your English language skills by utilizing ChatGPT on a daily basis. Conversations with native English speakers will be simpler thanks to it, in addition to helping with your language learning. Benefits of learning English with ChatGPT. Benefits of learning English with ChatGPT. First off, ChatGPT provides individualized instruction. According to your degree of skill and the areas where you need the most significant improvement, it adapts its lessons to your particular needs and goals. Thus, if you're having trouble with your grammar or vocabulary, ChatGPT can assist you in concentrating on those topics and advancing your skills more quickly. The convenience aspect of learning English with ChatGPT is another fantastic advantage. You can access it anywhere and anytime if you have an internet connection. This means you can fit language learning into your busy schedule, whether at home, at work, or on the go. Yet, Chat Conversational GPT's functionality may be its most appealing feature. It has been trained to converse with people naturally and conversationally as AI technology. So it feels like you're talking to a real person while chatting with ChatGPT. This is a terrific method to improve your speaking and listening skills, boost your self-assurance, and pick up new vocabulary that you might not find in a textbook. Not to be overlooked are chat writing GPTs and vocabulary development tools. It provides a variety of exercises and suggestions to help you hone your writing abilities, increase your vocabulary, and solidify your knowledge. Overall, using ChatGPT to learn English has a lot of advantages. It is practical and tailored and provides a range of features to aid with language learning. Why not attempt it, then? You might be pleasantly surprised by how far you can get. 7 Advanced Guides to Learning English with ChatGPT. Without wasting time, let's see the 7 advanced guides to learning English with the assistance of ChatGPT. 1. Start with the basics. It might be challenging to determine where to start when learning English. However, don't worry, ChatGPT is here to assist you. The fact that ChatGPT can provide you with all the fundamental vocabulary, grammar, and sentence structures you need to get started is one of its best features. As you would with a new buddy, you can start by engaging in straightforward chats with ChatGPT. Ask inquiries, discuss similar interests, and work on your usage of idioms. As you get more at ease, you can progressively take up trickier subjects like expressing your ideas or bringing up current events. The secret is to move forward gradually, gaining confidence as you go. You can feel supported and inspired while you learn the fundamentals of the English language with ChatGPT as your mentor. Don't hesitate to give it a try. You might be surprised at how rapidly your comfort and confidence in your language skills increase. 2. Learn English vocabulary with ChatGPT. Learning English vocabulary is crucial if you wish to speak clearly in English. The words and phrases we use to communicate ourselves are referred to as our vocabulary, and the more words you know, the more precisely and accurately you can express your views. ChatGPT can be a great resource for learning English vocabulary because it gives you access to a variety of words and phrases to use in practice. You can begin by requesting a list of typical English words or phrases from ChatGPT and then utilize these words in your sentences or discussions. You can also request words from ChatGPT that are particular to your needs or interests, including words associated with your profession or leisure activity. For each term, ChatGPT can give you a definition, a synonym, and an antonym, assisting you in understanding and accurately using the word. In order to assist you in comprehending how a word fits into a sentence or discussion, ChatGPT may also give you samples of how it is used in context. Ultimately, developing your English language proficiency and increasing your confidence in your ability to communicate in English can be accomplished through studying English vocabulary with ChatGPT. 3. Learn English idioms and slang with ChatGPT. It can be difficult for non-native speakers of English to learn English idioms and slang since these terms frequently contain figurative connotations that are not always obvious. Yet, ChatGPT can assist you in comprehending and applying these terms appropriately. You can practice understanding idiomatic expressions and learn how to utilize them in your own speech by speaking with ChatGPT. The extensive list of idiomatic phrases and slang terms that are frequently used by native speakers, as well as explanations of their meanings and usage, may be found on ChatGPT. This can be especially useful if you intend to live or work in an English-speaking nation, as you will frequently run into these idioms there. You may learn to utilize idioms and slang naturally, just like a native speaker, with the help of ChatGPT. Also, you'll learn about the historical settings and cultural connections that many idiomatic expressions draw upon, which will aid you in better understanding English society and culture. In general, using ChatGPT to acquire English idioms and slang is a great method to practice your language abilities and sound more like a native speaker. 4. Have conversations with ChatGPT. Conversations with ChatGPT can be a great way to improve your English speaking skills in a relaxed setting. You can practice your pronunciation, intonation, and sentence structures using ChatGPT by simulating conversations with native speakers. Start by asking about the weather or discussing your hobbies in easy discussions with ChatGPT. As you gain confidence, you can go on to more complicated subjects like current affairs or your personal hobbies. Also, ChatGPT may offer you feedback on your English proficiency, assisting you in identifying your weak points and offering advice on how to strengthen them. The conversations you have with ChatGPT are a great way to practice speaking English in a relaxed setting. You can practice your speaking and listening skills in a way that feels like a real-life discussion with ChatGPT, which can replicate genuine dialogues. Start by picking a subject that interests you, such as sports, travel, or hobbies, and then use ChatGPT to ask questions about that subject. You can practice your speaking and listening skills by responding to responses that ChatGPT provides you with that are relevant to the topic. You can also ask ChatGPT to provide you with immediate feedback on your language skills by asking it to fix your grammar or pronunciation. 5. Use ChatGPT to learn English for specific purposes. ChatGPT is a great resource to use if you need to learn English for a particular purpose, such as business, travel, or academic studies. You can get specific terminology, expressions, and phrases from ChatGPT that are pertinent to the subject matter you are interested in. For instance, ChatGPT may teach you terminology for meetings, negotiations, and presentations if you need to learn English for business purposes. ChatGPT can teach you the words for travel, lodging, and touring if you're considering visiting an English-speaking nation. You can use ChatGPT to improve your academic English by getting vocabulary for writing, researching, and giving academic presentations. In addition to vocabulary, ChatGPT can give you access to sentence constructions and grammar used frequently in your specialized field or area of interest. This can support more effective and assured communication in your field of expertise. Your language learning journey will be more productive and fun when you use ChatGPT to tailor your learning experiences to your unique requirements and interests. 6. Get feedback on your English skills from ChatGPT. Receiving feedback on your English abilities is a crucial step in the learning process since it can show you where you need to improve and allow you to make the necessary changes to your study schedule. You can receive feedback on your English proficiency from ChatGPT, which will enable you to sharpen your grammar, pronunciation, and overall fluency. Ask ChatGPT to fix your grammar or pronunciation as you speak while you practice your speaking abilities. You can receive immediate feedback from ChatGPT, allowing you to pinpoint your areas of weakness and improve your grammar or pronunciation. You can practice your writing skills and get feedback on your grammar and sentence structure by using the writing prompts or exercises that ChatGPT can offer you. You can also ask ChatGPT to assess your reading or listening comprehension abilities by giving you exercises or questions measuring how well you understand a text or audio file. Receiving feedback on your English proficiency from ChatGPT can be useful for enhancing your language abilities and growing more assured and fluent in your communication in English. 7. Use ChatGPT as a supplement to your English classes. In addition to your English sessions, ChatGPT can be a fantastic way to boost your education and advance your linguistic abilities. You can supplement the material you study in your English sessions with additional practice and materials from ChatGPT. You can use ChatGPT to practice vocabulary, grammar, and sentence construction to reinforce the ideas you learn in class. Also, ChatGPT allows you to receive additional feedback on your English proficiency, allowing you to pinpoint your areas of weakness and alter your study strategy accordingly. You can improve your communication skills in your field of expertise by using ChatGPT to get specialized terminology and expressions linked to your interests or demands. You can also get more reading and listening materials from ChatGPT, which will allow you to practice your comprehension abilities and introduce you to other English linguistic idioms. Overall, adding ChatGPT to your English studies can be a useful approach to advance your education, strengthen your language abilities, and gain more assurance and fluency in your English communication skills. Tips for maximizing your learning with ChatGPT. Some pointers can help you get the most out of your learning if you're using ChatGPT to learn English. Make sure first to establish oneself some clear language learning objectives. This will support you while you attempt to advance your English skills by keeping you motivated and focused. Secondly, utilize ChatGPT features for individualized learning. This entails spending some time investigating the various exercises and activities that are accessible to you and selecting those that are most compatible with your learning preferences and objectives. Do new things and experiment with various methods of English learning without hesitation. Regular practice is yet another suggestion. Over time, spending just a few minutes a day on language learning can have a significant impact. Strive to use English as often as possible in your daily activities, whether through watching English language TV shows or movies, listening to English language music, or simply reviewing your vocabulary as you go about your day. Last but not least, don't be afraid to screw up. Making mistakes while learning a new language is normal because it's a process. Continue practicing and studying, and use chat criticism GPTs and suggestions to help you get better. You'll be well on mastering English by paying attention to these suggestions and using chat numerous GPT features and tools. Final words. Anybody wishing to increase their knowledge of the English language should use ChatGPT. ChatGPT provides a thorough and efficient method for learning languages with its cutting-edge AI technology, individualized learning features, and fun language practice activities. ChatGPT offers much to offer whether you're a beginner trying to establish a solid foundation in English or an expert learner looking to improve your fluency. You can maximize your study and improve your communication skills in English by taking advantage of its various features and resources and applying the advice above. Thus, why not try ChatGPT now and discover how it can aid your language learning objectives?